Now there is a doubt. किसको किसका डाउट था ये क्या नाम है उसका? यस, आकृति.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so now there is a doubt in question number 17. आकृति का डाउट है और now let us start this exercise with question number 17. Everyone take out your classwork copy, write down the necessary detail. Now there is a question number 7. ये आकृति का डाउट. There is a doubt of आकृति in question number 17. Now Akriti, read the question please.
Yes, sir. So Sumitra has rupees 34 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins. If the number of 25 paise coins is twice the number of 50 paise coins, how many coins of each kind she have?
ओके. तो मुझे ये बताओ कि इफ द नंबर ऑफ 25 पैसा कॉइन इज ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा कॉइन का मतलब क्या होता है? वुड यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस लाइन? इफ द नंबर ऑफ 25 पैसा कॉइन इज ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा कॉइन, let the number of 25 paisa coin be x, then the number of 50 paisa coin be, just a moment, 25 paisa coin is twice na. Let the number of 50 paisa coin be x, then the number of 25 paisa coin be 2x. Now see, this is the number of coins. Number of coins, and in total is equal to 34. Total is 34 rupees, which is equal to 3400 paisa, which is equal to
Yes, sir.
3400 paisa. Okay. Now, Akriti, tell me what is the value of 125 paisa coin?
Yes, sir.
What is the value कितनी कीमत होती है एक 25 पैसे की? मतलब what is the value? Suppose if we talking about कि this is the number, एक 25 पैसा मतलब 25 पैसा, दो 25 पैसा. If there is 225 पैसा means 50 पैसा. So if there is 425 paisa, it means that 1 rupee. तो ये चीज समझो. The number of 25 paisa coin is x, 2x, and the number of 50 paisa coin is x. If the number of one, sorry, if the value, now we are finding the value of the total coins. Like 50 paisa coin, the value for 150 means value of 150 paisa coin is equal to 50 paisa. If it is 250 paisa coin, then 100 paisa. If it is 350 paisa coin, then 150 paisa. Yes? If
Yes, sir.
it is x 50 paisa, then it is 50x. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो यही हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. Value of x 50 paisa coin is 50x. Value of 2x 25 paisa coin is equal to 25 multiplied by 2x, which is equal to 50x again. Clear? Now according to question is what we have total money is what 3400 पैसा. So it means इन दोनों coins को अगर हम add करें means 50x plus 50x is equal to 3400 पैसा. So it will be 100x is equal to 3400. So x is equal to 3400 upon 100, which is equal to 34. So x is equal to 34. Now x is equal to 34 means 50 paisa coin is 34. So the number of 50 paisa coin is 34. Number of 25 paisa coin is 34 into 2, which is equal to 70, which is equal to 68. How many coin of each kind? So we just have to find the total number of coins. So now the total number of coin is, you have to add 68 and 34. So total coin is equal to 68 plus 34, which is equal to 102 coins. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
किसका डाउट?
Yes, sir.
Number of 50 paisa coin is 34, number of 25 paisa coin is 68, and the total coin is 102. Clear? Is there any
Yes,
more?
sir.
तो और भी कोई डाउट है किसी का? Copied?
Sir, exercise 7B, question number 20.
20. Sambhav. Okay. Read the question, Sambhav, please.
The age of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence, the ratio of their age will be 9:7. Find their present ages.
ये होमवर्क में था. Okay, now the question
Yes.
number 20. Now the question number 20. See the ages of Sonal and Manoj. Let the ages of Sonal and Manoj be 7x and 5x. Let the age of Sonal and Manoj be 7x and 5x. Sorry. 10 year hence. 10 year hence. Some of you know what is the meaning of hence? After.
Okay, sir.
Matlab in future basically. So now the Sonal's age is 7x. After 10 years, Sonal's age will be 7x plus 10. And Manoj age is equal to 5x plus 10. Okay, now the according to question, ATQ, according to question, just a moment, 10 year hence the ratio of their ages will be 9:7, means 7x plus 10 upon 5x plus 10 is equal to 9 upon 7. Then now you have to cross multiply it to solve this. 7 multiplied by 7x plus 10, which is equal to 9 bracket 5x plus 10. Now multiply it, 7 sevens are 49x plus 70 is equal to 9 5s are 45x plus 90. This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, uh, you can transfer this for 45x to the LHS side and 70 to the RHS side. So it will be 49x minus 45x is equal to 90 minus 70. So 4x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. Now, Sonal, and this is the percentage. Let the percentage. This is the percentage. Okay. Now, Sonal age is equal to 7x means 7 into 5, which is equal to 35 years. And Manoj age is equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to 25 years. Please copy it. And now, clear, Sambhav?
Yes, sir.
अभी भी कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछो, उसमें कोई कहीं पे कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है तुम्हें तो। कोई कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है तो पूछो, अदरवाइज यू कैन कॉपी इट फास्ट। और किसी के पास कोई डाउट? और किसी के पास कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
वेट वन गर्ल, यस, व्हाट इज द डाउट? विच क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
नहीं, किसी ने बोला था यस सर अभी। आई हर्ड समवन से यस। Now there is no doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Yesterday I gave question number 29 and 30 for try. So, 29 and 30 for try. So 29th question done. Ankita,
Yes, sir.
done or not done? हो गया 29 और 30 क्वेश्चन? क्या हुआ, आवाज ही नहीं निकल रही है, कुछ बता ही नहीं रहे।
Sir.
नहीं हुआ तो बोलो नहीं हुआ। हो गया
No, sir.
तो डाउट नहीं हुआ ये तुम्हारा? ये तुम्हारा डाउट नहीं हुआ? अगर मैंने तुम्हें कुछ करने के लिए कहा और वो नहीं हुआ तो वो डाउट नहीं हुआ? Now see the question number 29. Two complementary angles differ by 8. Find the angle. So let the two complementary angles be x and x plus 8. X and x plus 8. There is two angle and their difference is 2. Their difference is 8. इसका मतलब कि अगर एक एंगल x है तो दूसरा एंगल जो है वो x माइनस 8 हो सकता है या x plus 8 हो सकता है. There is two possibility. There is two possibility. One, it is x. Second angle is x minus 8 or x plus 8. So here I take x plus 8. Now according to question, x plus 8 is equal to 90 degree. Complementary sum of or sum sum of two complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. It is 2x plus 8 is equal to 90 degree. So 2x is equal to 90 minus 8. So 2x is equal to 82. And now x is equal to 82 upon 2. Cancel करके आया 41. So now you see two angles. Now the two angles are, one is 41 and second is 41 plus 8, which is equal to 49. So now 41 plus 49 is equal to 90. See here the calculation is. Now you can see there is two angle, one is 41 and second is 49, and their difference is 8. 49 minus 41 is equal to 8. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes, sir.
Now Ankita, read the question number 30.
Sir, two supplementary angle divided by
Suppli,
44 degrees.
supplementary नहीं है,
Some
supplementary, supply, SUPPL, supply.
two supplementary angles divided by
Defined
44
by,
degrees. Find the
defined by, differ by. अच्छा ठीक है मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. अच्छा हर्ष, now read the question please. Harshvardhan,
Yes, sir.
now read the question please. Question number 30.
Two sub two supplemental angles differs by
Supplemental.
44 degrees.
ध्यान से पढ़ो.
Supplemental
Supplementary.
supplementary.
Yes.
Two supplementary angles differs by 44 degrees. Find the angles.
Yes. अब मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. Two supplementary angle differ by 44 degree. Find the angles. बिल्कुल. Let the two supplementary angle be x and x minus 44. देखो पिछली बार प्लस लिया था, अब की बार माइनस करके बताया. बिकॉज हियर इज ऑल्सो टू पॉसिबिलिटी. वन इज सेकेंड एंगल मे बी x minus 44 or x plus 44. So here I take x minus 44. Okay. Let the two supplementary angles be x and x minus 44. Now the according to question, x plus x minus 44 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of supplementary means sum of two supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. So here it is 2x minus 44, this. Now 2x is equal to 180 degree plus 44. So it will be 224. So x is equal to 112. First, now two angles are, one is 112 and second is 112 minus 44, which is equal to कितना होगा 12 68. Now you see two angles are 112 and 68. Now you can check 112 plus 68 is equal to 180 degree and 112 minus 68 is equal to 44. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Copied?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now there is 5 more minutes, then we can solve 31st question. Okay. Sambhav, read the 31st question, please.
In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and the vertex angle is twice of each base angle. Find the measures of the angles of the triangle.
और ये कोई ट्रायंगल का क्वेश्चन हम पहले हमने किया है? वर्टेक्स एंगल और बेस एंगल से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन किया है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ किया तो है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. The two equal side of a triangle are each 5 centimeter less than twice the third side if the perimeter is this. So 35. अब जब दो साइड इक्वल है, if there is a in triangle two sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. Then it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, I will solve 31st. See, here it is a triangle and this is the equal side and this is the unequal side. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and vertex angle is twice of each base angle. So let the base angle be x degree, then the vertex angle be 2x degree. ये दोनों इक्वल है x और x. Now it is a vertex angle, it is 2x. Now according to question, we know that angle sum property. Sambhav, what is the angle sum property of triangle? What is the angle sum property of triangle?
180.
So it will be 4x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree upon 4. 4 4s are 16 and 45. So x is equal to 45 degree. If x is equal to 45 degree means equal angle is equal to 45 degree angles and vertex angle. Vertex angle is equal to 2 multiplied by 45, which is equal to 90 degree. So it is 45, this is 45 and this is 90 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copied?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. This is the last question for today's class. So from Monday we will start from question number 13.